Hi everyone, my name is Ma. For my final project, I developed a short training course. The target audience are new teachers onboarding and are new to the district. This training is in a key learning management system, Schoology. The training is a combination of self-paced learning and opportunities for teachers to ask questions and collaborate via discussion boards and live Q&A sessions. The learning theories selected are constructivism, in which learners construct their understanding by engaging with material at their own pace. There's also an element of social constructivism because the Q&A of the training introduces social interaction, enabling collaborative knowledge building through dialogue. And there's also an element of metacognitive learning because the self paced part encourages learners to plan, monitor, and evaluate their understanding. The instructional design framework selected is the ADDIE model. This is ideal for self-paced training with Q&A opportunities because it provides a clear framework for designing, developing, and continuously improving the learner experiences. Its flexibility, emphasis on learner needs, and iterative nature ensure the training is both effective and adaptable to diverse learner preferences. A combination of successive approximation model and formative and summative evaluation is chosen for this design course as quality assurance because it is efficient in evaluating a small scale course. SAM's process saves time and resources by focusing on continuous improvement rather than perfecting everything upfront, while formative and summative evaluations will take care of the learner needs and confirm the overall success of the design. The goal of the training is to equip teachers with the knowledge and skills to effectively create and manage course content on Schoology, focusing on setting up courses, organizing materials, and utilizing Schoology's content management tools. And here's the more specific learning objectives for this course. The learning activities selected are pre-training assessment, self-paced interactive modules, Q&A, peer collaboration, application and practice activities, feedback and reflection activities. How do I intend to assess learner competency? That is through pre-training, formative, practical, application, Q&A, and post-training assessments. What are some strategies used in the design to make sure the product is accessible and inclusive? First one is adherence to accessibility standards by following web content accessibility guidelines to meet standards like using captions and transcripts. Second one is ensuring a universally designed course content, making sure there's inclusive support systems in place, and asynchronous options for flexibility. Now I am going to walk you through the course modules in Schoology. The learning management system I use for this training is Schoology, of course. And here is how I have structured the different modules. As you can see, there's the introductory part. I'm going to open up the first section of the introduction part, which is the pre-assessment. The pre-assessment gauges the teacher's prior learning, if they have experiences of using the learning management system in their old school and whatnot. So this is the pre-assessment part. And here is the Welcome to Schoology training objectives. And a small clip of an introduction to what Schoology is. And then overview of Schoology interface and navigation tips. There's another video. I also made it a point that each of these section has the different small objectives that the teachers are actually going to be doing in each section. And then here's the first module. So again, each of these sections have what the teachers are going to learn in this section. And then when they open the folders, there's the learning modules. Here's that for this section. And then I think they have these discussion questions where they can collaborate. What are some of the things, tips and tricks that they have learned in this module. So this is asynchronous. And then here's the next module. And then in this section, still different videos on how-tos. And then they're applying what they've learned based on the video that I'm not quite sure why this one's not working. And then going back over here. Here's another module for assessment and grading in Schoology. There's that. And then in this section, I think they have again another discussion board. And then post-assessment, of course. So the teachers in this section, they're going to create a sandbox course in Schoology itself. And then this section right here is a session. This one is synchronous, where everybody is there and they have the opportunity. This is via Zoom, and there's a Zoom link in here where everybody get together and collaborate, ask questions, and learn from each other. And then here's the training feedback. And that is all.